Hello everyone and welcome to Yummy Cooking with Payshintz. Today I'm making a grilled salmon kebab and I'm using a wild sockeye salmon. So this recipe is going to be easy, it's going to be simple, and it's going to be fabulous. So let's get started. I'm going to grab 6 long skewers and soak them in water for 30 minutes to prevent them from burning on the grill. I have 1 pound of salmon here and I'm going to cut it into 12 pieces, and they're going to be about 1 inch thick, giving us like 2 pieces per skewer. And mine has the skin on it because I like the crispy texture and the extra omega-3. But if you don't like skin on your salmon, you could cut the skin off and it'll be fine as well. Marination time. Add some thin sliced lemons because we're gonna fold it onto the skewers. Nice red onions. Thin sliced zucchinis because they're also going to be folded onto the skewers. Nice bell peppers, and a generously large amount of olive oil, and give that a good mix. Time to add our minced garlic, pepper, and salt, and also give this one good last mix. Once you're done mixing it up, cover it and place it in the refrigerator for 20 minutes to marinate. We're going to start making our salmon kebabs. So leave about 1 inch towards the bottom of the skewer and put your thicker vegetables on the bottom. And you see how I have the zucchini? I folded the zucchini and I folded the lemon. And make sure that you keep the lemon and the fish together because the citrus balances the fish flavor. And on our skewers, we want to put 2 salmon pieces. And then add the 2 thicker vegetables on the top so it holds everything together. Voila! All right, now we move to our grill. So we're gonna put our salmon kebabs on the grill. We already sprayed it, so it won't be sticky. Let's open this grill up. It's nice and hot. Look at these salmon kebabs, they're ready. I'm gonna place the salmon down skin side first, and you can hear the sizzling of the grill. Oh, my salmon skin is gonna be nice and crispy. And I wanna cook these for about 3 minutes on one side. It's time to flip our salmon kebabs over, and wow, look at that skin. It's already crispy. Now we're gonna flip it over and we're gonna cook this again for another 3 minutes. Our salmon kebabs are ready, so it's time to take them off the grill. Okay, now let's try our grilled salmon kebab. I'm just going to sprinkle it with some dried dill as a topping. So pretty. Wow, you see the colors? It's almost like a rainbow. You have red, the green, our pink, our yellow from our lemons, and our purple from our onions. Let's try it out. Delicious. So you have the salmon with the lemon and the bell peppers and the onions. It gives it a nice balance flavor. If you want an easy, quick, simple recipe, try my grilled salmon kebabs. Thank you for watching and see you next time.